a typical small merchant who currently only accepts cash. However, with the introduction of Rubean's innovations for point of sale, he can increase revenue by accepting new payment methods and also through sales of digital content, all of which can be conducted on his personal Android phone. If a customer is short of cash, this is no longer a problem. The latest incoming soft point-of-sale standards mean that merchants can now accept contactless payments on an Android smartphone or terminal. With another Android app from Rubean, merchants can also accept instant payments, also known as faster payments in the UK. These payments are direct credit transfers from the customer's checking account to the merchant's account, allowing for lower transfer fees. With their phone, the customer only needs to load the amount payable from the merchant's phone or terminal and approve payment using biometrics. Rubean's vPOSA app for merchants simplifies the once difficult task of selling digital content to unbanked people, such as teenagers. Rubean provides Android apps for phones or classical terminals to issue access pins for games, videos, and music. This eradicates the costs, security, and logistical challenges associated with POSA scratch cards. So now, any merchant can sell digital content. The customer enters their email address on the merchant's phone. The access code will be sent here.